a very positive meeting with the President. We got very strong encouragement, and he was speaking very enthusiastically about the progress that we have already made.
We were very pleased. I was pleased that we were able to meet with the President, because he has been a great supporter of the extension of higher education in Indonesia, and we really valued and were grateful for his support and the support of the Indonesian government for Monash University, Indonesia, to be the first foreign university in Indonesia. And we were discussing with him the plans for the future and how we would contribute to Indonesia.
Saya ingin menambahkan bahwa yang dibicarakan juga meliputi harapan beliau atas kontribusi Monash untuk mengembangkan sumber daya manusia terutama, dan juga transformasi digital. Dan hal itu menjadi salah satu tujuan utama kami sebagai Monash University Indonesia untuk mewujudkan tantangan tersebut dan sejalan dengan tantangan yang dihadapi oleh pemerintah.
One key point that we were able to emphasize in our discussion with the President was the importance of our partnerships with other Indonesian universities, with Indonesian companies, and with Indonesian government agencies at all levels, because the common goal we all share is contributing to the further success of Indonesia.